morning, everybody. I have got a brand new set of teeth for my machine here, and I thought I'd show you guys how nice I like these teeth. They're the new style teeth, and the reason for changing them is not because I think that they're too worn out. I could go get some more use out of them, but I lost one the other day. I don't want to wear the shank down, so I'm going to change them all and put a brand new set on. But that is why I like these teeth. Just take the screwdriver, pry the pin out, and the tooth comes right off. I don't have to beat on them, or pound them, or drive pins into them anymore. They're pretty sweet. There. Now, same thing when you put them on. You just stick it on, pry the pin over, and you're good. There. And, anybody's wondering, I get about a year out of a set of teeth. I don't know if I work it or if it's just the teeth or that's normal. But that's what I get. There. Ain't she pretty? Let's go wear the teeth off, the paint off the new teeth.